Hey everyone, I'm ICEPOOF, and this will be my customs entry into the Stank Rat certification challenge. I would say this is an iconic spawn, easy access to a tree, tons of unsuspecting chads in this area. I throw my bag into the bush and decide that, yeah, that's the tree I want to get into. So alley-oop, here we go. Easy, easy. A few minutes later, I don't know what this is. Is this a nowhere's grenade? I don't know. But I weathered that like a rock. A few minutes after the random grenade, I start to hear the pitter-patter of a chad. Whatever was going on the other side of the fence is over. Here we go. Chad killed from his secret hiding place. So I'm gonna loot my skill. Oh no. No cheese. Well, let's loot up and get out of here. Now I'm running around customs, looting, picking up random stuff, trying to get the minimum weight, 42 kilograms. But it sounds like there's been a running gun battle, so I'm just gonna sit here for a second. That grenade basically ends the gunfight. I keep running on, looking for more loot. Don't want to die here with a bag full of goodies. At this point of the raid, I've made it to construction. Still looking, trying to make weight, haven't made weight. I'm thinking, hey, big shotgun, that should help me out. While I'm here, I want to check the grenade box and a duffel bag. I get my goodies, and I'm headed out. Oh no, another Chad has found me. Question mark? Whoa. He never knew I was here. That's ratty. Let's loot up, see what we got. With that pistol, we're making weight. Oh Nikita, you have provided me cheese. And I throw it on the ground. I'm gonna fast forward us through this part. Just moving some ammo around, top it off mags. Stimming up, and let's go. I like that sound of fast forward. That's it. Ratted 2 PMCs, dropped a cheese on the body, 54 kilograms of weight, extracted alive. Customs complete. If you want to see the rest of the series, please subscribe.